This thing's jumping.
Okay. Hi, guys.
Hi.
It's the same experiment, guys. Today is another experiment. We're doing colored milk. So, first of all, we have to pour milk in a plate. Šiandien yra mūsų kito eksperimento diena. Pilame riebaus pieno į lėkštes. Yeah, it's enough. Okay, then everybody needs some milk.
Mama.
Ups. Maja truputėlį paskubėjo. Ups.
Nice.
Palauk.
This is mama.
Tak. Now, okay, Maja daro savo būdą eksperimentą. Maja is doing her own experiment. Okay, no slava.
Green.
Okay, and now when your milk is settled, you take only one drop of each color and put it in the
I
middle.
want to put 2 drops in different places of each one.
Try. Reikia dabar kiekvienos spalvos dažų po lašiuką įlašinti į vidurį lėkštės, netoli vienas nuo kito, kad būtų. Maja jau daro savo eksperimentą. Labai graži. Very beautiful green. It's yellow. Čia geltonas spalva. Tuoj, Maite. Okay. Aha.
Maya's
Imk, Maite. And now everyone took this cotton.
Слав, можно, пожалуйста?
Imk, kokią nori spalvą dabar. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Now, pažiūrim, kaip tai dabar atrodo. Gražu.
Okay, so.
Beautiful. And now, yes, that's what Slava is doing. He's taking some soap. Okay, it has to be soapy. Okay, wait for everybody. Palaukiam visų. Reikia suvilgyti tą vatos pagaliuką muilu. Right.
Look at Maya's.
Yeah. She's a crazy chemist. Maja daro savo eksperimentą. Labai linksma.
Look. Can I have yellow?
Na, truputį muilo. Gerai. And now put your stick just in the middle of the plate. Dabar mes žiūrim, pradėjo Nina. Just put it and hold. Reikia pridėti į vidų tą pagaliuką ir palaukti.
Wow, this is so pretty.
Štai kas darosi.
They just came off.
Yeah, hold it.
Oh.
Reikia palaikyti ir žiūrėti. Aha, you see, you put the... Oh, it still works. But when you put drops
Ooh, look, watch,
too far
watch
one from another...
I'm doing mine in second place.
Okay. Oh, this is... Labai gražu, taip? Vyksta tai, kad muilas išjudina...
Science reaction.
Mama! Why?
I have an even better idea.
Aš tau ištrauksiu.
Give me this.
Get out!
Muilas išjudina riebalus ir stumia molekulės vieną nuo kitos. The soap...
Look at it. What is it?
Well, that's a crazy experiment.
Okay.
The soap makes milk fat molecules go away. That's what's happening. And the color just lets us see it.
Mine is red.
Okay, that's another experiment. Look.
Blue.
Well, it's super easy experiment and very beautiful and worth trying. Labai labai lengvas ir smagus eksperimentas, kurį visiems verta pabandyti.
Look, mine is blue and red and
mine.
Look at Maya's.
Look at mine.
It's like some green stone. Okay, everybody's got different.
Wow,
And
look at this.
it depends
Nina,
on
look at
how
this.
many drops and
I need.
how far they weigh one from another. Matom, kad rezultatas visur skirtingas, priklauso nuo to, kiek lašų, kaip toli lašai buvo viena nuo
Wow,
kitos ir
look
taip
at
toliau.
mine.
Rekomenduoju tai
Mine is the
padaryti toliau.
prettiest, and his too.
Okay.
And Noah are almost the same.
Well, everybody say bye. Na, dabar ir Maja mano užsinorėjo, kaip visi. Palauk, tu tik laikyk. Va, ir tau gaunasi, matai? Okay, Maya wanted to do the same as everybody. Look how beautifully it moves. Kaip gražiai, matai? Jis pats juda, Maite, matai? Spalvos pačios.
Look, mine.